Linking your bank to Finicity is a straightforward process that allows you to access your financial data seamlessly. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a Finicity account. Visit the Finicity website or download the app. Click on the Sign Up option and fill in the required information to create your account. Make sure to verify your email address to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to the bank linking section. Once logged in, look for the option to link your bank account. This is usually found in the Settings or Account Management section of the platform. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select your bank. In the bank linking section, you will see a list of supported banks. Search for your bank by name or browse through the list. Once you find your bank, select it to continue. Step 4. Enter your bank credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use this to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your credentials, follow any additional prompts to confirm the linking process. You may need to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Once completed, your bank account will be linked to Finicity. Now you can enjoy the benefits of having your financial data integrated with Finicity. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or contact customer support for assistance.